Recently, Boston Dynamics shared a new video of their Atlas robot that is very exciting. Unlike their older videos where Atlas did cool tricks like parkour, this new video shows Atlas doing real work in a factory. The robot works all by itself on a car assembly line, handling parts quickly and smartly without needing any help from people. This is a big step forward in making robots that can do useful things in real places. Atlas Robot's industrial evolution. Let's talk about Atlas, the humanoid robot made by Boston Dynamics. You might have seen those fun videos where it does push-ups. Well, Atlas has gotten a lot better since then. Now, it can do important jobs in factories. In the latest video, you can see Atlas moving engine parts around. It picks up the parts, adjusts its height, and places them exactly where they need to go, all on its own. What's really cool is that Atlas can figure things out by itself. If it needs to move something and it doesn't fit right away, Atlas doesn't give up. It changes how it's holding the part or where it's putting it until everything fits perfectly. Even if it runs into a problem, Atlas stops, thinks, and then tries again right away. Boston Dynamics has made Atlas really smart by giving it special sensors that help it see and feel where things are, so it always knows what to do. Atlas's industrial role expansion. The latest updates made to the Atlas robot, which is now completely powered by electricity instead of using hydraulics like before. This change makes Atlas lighter, quieter, and it can move in more ways, perfect for working in busy factory environments. Atlas has advanced actuators, which work like robotic muscles, allowing it to move smoothly and quickly. This helps Atlas work faster and more accurately on the factory floor, where doing things quickly and correctly is very important. These new features let Atlas do a wide variety of movements, from small twists to stretching its arms fully, making it great for jobs that need to be done over and over again without mistakes. Boston Dynamics wants to use it in car factories, especially since Hyundai now owns them and is interested in using more robots to build cars. Atlas could really help make things run faster and better in factories where lots of cars are made. They are even testing Atlas in these places right now. Boston Dynamics is also working with the Toyota Research Institute, which might help Atlas learn even more about its job using something called machine learning. This means Atlas could get better at its job by understanding and learning from what happens around it in the factory. The video they shared shows us what Atlas sees, which looks a bit like a fisheye camera lens that makes everything look round. This helps Atlas see and pick up objects correctly. The new learning programs in Atlas help it recognize and react to its surroundings better, making quick and smart decisions. Boston Dynamics points out that Atlas is completely on its own in the video, with a fully autonomous label to show there's no one controlling it remotely or making it follow a preset script. It's just Atlas and its own programming figuring things out. This kind of independence is pretty special for industrial robots today and makes Atlas different from other robots like Tesla's Optimus, which still needs a lot of human help. Although some people might find Atlas a bit spooky, its skills are truly revolutionary. This robot could change the way we work and increase productivity in ways we are just starting to understand. As Boston Dynamics keeps improving Atlas for real jobs, especially in making cars, it's exciting to see where this technology will go. Watching them push what robots can do, we are seeing the future of robotics unfold right here in the US. AI advances at China's World Voice Expo. At the 7th World Voice Expo in East China, there were some amazing AI developments. One of the highlights was a black humanoid robot that's about as tall as an adult and weighs as much as a big dog. This robot showed how well it can understand and react to people by giving a visitor a coffee bottle when they said they were thirsty. This robot uses a smart language program developed by a company called iFly to help it handle tasks like serving drinks, which is pretty cool because it shows the robot can do things with its hands almost like a human. The expo also talked about something called the SuperBrain robotic platform. This platform helps over 450 robot-making companies and connects 15,000 people who create robots across China, showing how important AI is there. SuperBrain is used not just in factories, but also in things we use every day, like in consumer products. At the expo, they showed more than 200 AI things, including robots that look and act like humans, systems that help machines and humans talk to each other, and smart language programs. A fast-moving robot called Unrai H1 from a company named Unitary Robotics was also shown. It can move really fast and is being sold for a lot of money, which shows that many people are interested in these kinds of robots for actual work. The Chinese government is also pushing for more AI with their AI Plus plan, which helps make the country's digital economy better and modernizes how things are made. They showed a new voice system for cars at the expo that can test how well AI talks and listens inside cars, making it faster to make sure cars' AI systems work well. AI is changing many things in China, like how cars are made to have talking features and smart systems that make driving more fun and easier. There are also smart fridges, glasses, and even cups that use AI to do cool things. At the expo, companies showed a smart mouse and a new keyboard that can write articles, make presentations, and translate languages quickly, which makes office work much easier. These products are selling fast, which shows that people really like them. With over 4,500 companies working on AI in China and the industry worth a lot of money, the chairman of iFly said at the expo that AI is starting to change every part of life and work in China. The next big thing in AI there is expected to make different industries and even research more efficient and connected. The growth and support from the government show that AI in China is not just getting bigger, but also better in many ways. Embracing the future. China is making big steps forward in artificial intelligence, which they showed off at the World Voice Expo. This event was a peek into a future where technology and everyday life come together more than ever. At the expo, they introduced new AI and humanoid robots that are really good at doing complicated tasks, and also in things we use every day, like smart fridges and glasses. This means we're moving toward a future where everything is more connected and works by itself. IC's Superbrain platform is helping a lot of developers and companies in China create cool new AI stuff. By putting advanced learning systems in everyday items, life is getting smarter. Imagine your fridge knowing what you need before you even ask, or glasses that help you see and do things better. As these smart technologies become a normal part of life, they will change how we interact with machines, making everything work together more smoothly and naturally. The future is full of possibilities where AI helps us do more and live better. Do you think we're ready for a time when robots like Atlas are as common as coworkers? I'd love to hear what you think, so please leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you find this talk about AI advancements interesting, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe for more updates on the latest in AI and robotics. Your likes and comments help us make more videos like this. Thanks for watching.